Hi everyone, this is the another problem on higher order differential equation. See, solve d power 4 plus d square plus 1 of phi is equal to e power minus x by 2 into cos of root 3 by 2 x. This is very important problem. See, first of all we have to find out the complementary function. So you should write auxiliary equation of given equation. The auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0, otherwise f of r is equal to 0. Okay, so that implies m power 4 plus m square plus 1 is equal to 0. Clearly we are observing that this is the fourth degree algebraic equation in terms of m. So m has exactly 4 roots. So for getting that roots, see here, m power 4 plus, in the middle term we have only m square. I am adding another m square. So 2m square plus 1. Now subtract with m square is equal to 0. So 2m square minus m square is nothing but plus m square. Okay. Now see here, first 3 terms can be written as m square plus 1 whole square. By using a plus b whole square, if you expand this one, you will get the same root, same term, m square whole square, m power 4 plus 2m square into 1, 2m square plus 1 square is nothing but 1, minus m square is equal to 0. Now you can easily observe that this is in the form of a square minus b square. This is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. What is a? M square plus 1. What is b? Just m value. So you will get m square plus 1 plus b. It would be plus m minus, sorry, this is product a plus b into a minus b. M square plus 1 minus m is equal to 0. Okay. So this will be written as m square, write this term, plus 1 is equal to 0 and m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation and this is your quadratic equation. We are observing that this both factors does not have the direct roots. Okay, so use the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. According to that formula, you will get m is equal to, b value is nothing but plus 1, so you will get minus 1 plus or minus root over 1 minus 4 by 2a. A is also 1. Here also you will get, here b value is coefficient of m which is negative 1, so minus of minus plus 1, 1 plus or minus root over 1 minus 4 by 2. So m is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus, already you know that root over minus 3 is nothing but I root 3. So by separating the terms you will get I root 3 by 2. Here 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. These are the two different complex conjugate pairs. These are the required roots of auxiliary equation. So yc can be written as, yc is equal to, first write the complementary function for this pair, after that you can write complementary function for this pair. Okay, e power minus 1 by 2 x, both are in the form of a plus or minus ib, and you can say this is c plus or minus id. Okay, e power minus x by 2 into c1 cos root 3 by 2 x plus c2 sin bx, b is nothing but root 3 by 2 x, plus for the second pair e power cx, c is nothing but 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 x is nothing but e power x by 2 whole into c1 cos root 3 by 2 x. So c1 c2 are over, so you can use c3 in order, plus c4 sin root 3 by 2 x. Okay, now it is enough to find out the pi. What is pi? Yp is equal to 1 by f of d of q of x. Now we know that yp is equal to 1 by f of d of q of x. Replace the values. This is implies yp is equal to 1 by function of d is nothing but polynomial in d, which is d power 4 plus d square plus 1 into q of x. It is in the form of e power ax into v of x. E power ax into v of x. See, e power ax into v of x. So what is the rule to eliminate capital D here? Put d is equal to d plus a in this polynomial f of d in the denominator. Whenever we have d, replace it by d plus a. What is a value here? Coefficient of x. It would be minus 1 by 2. So replace d by d minus 1 by 2 and take outside the term. Take the term. What is the term? E power minus x by 2 to outside. This is the rule. Okay, so yp becomes e power minus x by 2 into 1 by, okay, whenever we have d, replace it by d minus 1 by 2. So d minus 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus d minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1, and remaining term is cos of root 3 by 2 x. So first of all we have to simplify the denominator. See here, yp is equal to e power minus x by 2 of 1 by, we have to expand d minus 1 by 2 whole power 4 by using binomial formula. See here, binomial theorem is nothing but x minus 5 whole power n, but you can write 4. Okay, it is nothing but alternately you will get plus and minus in the expansion. 4c 0 into x power 4 into y power 0, so it would be 1 minus 4c1 into x cube into y plus 4c2 into x square y square minus alternately positive positive negative 4c3 into x y cube, and finally 4c4 into x power 0, it would be 1, and you have to write y power 4. Okay, so in this way I will expand the denominator here. See, 4c0 means 1. Okay, it is 1. So 1 into x power 4, x is nothing but d power 4 minus 4c1, everybody knows that 4c1 value is only 4, so 4 into d cube into y value, y is nothing but 1 by 2, okay, plus 4c2. What is 4c2 value? 4c2 is nothing but 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, so 2 3s are 6, so 6 into d square into 1 by 2 whole square, it would be 1 by 4. Okay, minus, alternately we will get plus minus 4c3 means 4. Okay, so 4 into d into 1 by 2 whole cube, it would be 1 by 8 plus finally you will get plus 4c4 is also 1, y power 4, it nothing but 1 by 2 whole power 4, it would be 1 by 16. This is the expansion of just d minus 1 by 2 whole power 4. Here second term is d minus 1 by 2 whole square. So by using a minus b whole square formula, you will get d square minus 2ab, 2 into 2 into 1 by 2 getting cancelled, just you will get d plus 1 by 4 last term is plus 1 whole into cos of root 3 by 2 x. Okay, see the next step. Now this 5p becomes to e power minus x by 2 whole into 1 by, write the terms in order, d power 4 is the first term minus 2d cube is the next term, next 3 into d square. Okay, in the denominator we have by 2, so 3 by 2 d square minus this 4 gets 2 times cancelled, so the next term is d by 2 plus 1 by 16 plus d square minus d 1 by 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 is the constant term into cos of root 3 by 2 x. Okay, now club the terms here. 3 by 2 d square is there, d square is there. E power minus x by 2 into 1 by d power 4 minus 2d cube 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 d square, 5 by 2 d square, and minus d by 2 minus d, by taking the LCM, minus d minus 2d minus 3d by 2. Okay, 1 by 16 plus 4, 1 by 16 plus 5 by 4, 16 is the LCM, 1 plus 4 5s are 20, so you got 21 by 16 is the constant term, and the right hand side term is cos of root 3 by 2 x. Okay, so it is in the form of cos bx. When right hand side function is cos bx form, then what are the rules to eliminate d in the denominator? Replace d square is equal to minus b square, b is nothing but root 3 by 2, so you will get minus 3 by 4. So d cube is equal to d square into d, so you got minus 3 by 4 into d, and d power 4 can be written as d square into d square, so minus into minus plus 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, 16 by, sorry, 9 by 16, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So replace d power 4 by 9 by 16, replace d cube by minus 3 by 4 by d, and d square by minus 3 by 4. See, so e power minus x by 2 is there, 1 by d power 4 means 9 by 16 minus 2 into d cube, so d cube is nothing but minus 3 by 4 into d, by multiplying with 2 you will get minus 3 by 2 into d. Okay, d square, what is d square? Minus 3 by 4. Okay, 5 into minus 3 minus 15, 2 4s are 18, 2 4s are 8 into d square is nothing but this one. Okay, minus 3d by 2 plus 21 by 16 cos of root 3 by 2 x. Okay, now we are observing that what is minus 3 by 2, actually d cube is minus, so you will get this is positive, this is positive. Okay, minus 3d by 2 plus 3d by 2 getting cancelled. What about the remaining terms? 9 by 16 minus 5 by 15 by 8, 21 by 16, 16 is the LCM, so 9 2 times, so it would be 30 plus 1 time it would be 21, so 21 plus 9, 30 minus 30, so all constants are also gets cancelled. It means that in the denominator we have 0, so it is a failure case. Okay, this is a failure case, so we can't use these all rules here. Okay, this is a failure case. Whenever we get the failure case, just you have to write 1x in the outside and take the derivative in the denominator. That is the procedure. So from this step, x into, write 1x in the outside, e power minus x by 2 into 1 by, derivative for the denominator is 4d cube minus, derivative for d cube is 3d square, 3 into 2 6d square, plus 2 2s are getting cancelled, simply you will get 5d minus 3 by 2 because derivative of d is 1 and derivative of constant term is 0 into cos of root 3 by 2 x. Now replace the same rules now. What is d cube? Minus 3 by 4. Okay, d square is equal to minus 3 by 4 and d cube is equal to minus 3 by 4 d. So x into e power minus x by 2 into 1 by 4 into, what is d cube? Minus 3 by 4 into d minus 6 into what is d square? Minus 3 by 4. Okay, plus 5d. We can't do anything for d. Minus 3 by 2. Okay, into right hand side function is cos root 3x by 2. Okay, now see the simplification in the top side. So this step becomes to x into e power minus x by 2 whole into this 4 getting cancelled, minus 3d 1 by minus 3d is the remaining term in the first part, minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18 by 4 plus 5d minus 3 by 2 into cos of root 3 by 2 x. So x into e power minus x by 2 into 1 by what is 5d minus 3d? 2d, and 18 by 4 minus 3 by 2. 4 is the LCM. 18 minus 2 times 2 3s are 6. So it would be 12 by 4. It would be 3. Okay, 2d plus 3 is the remaining term. So cos of root 3 by 2 x. Still d is not eliminated. So you have to take the rationalize. What is the rationalizing factor? X into e power minus x by 2 into 2d minus 3 by 2d plus 3 into 2d minus 3. It would be 4d square minus 3 square. It would be 9 by rationalizing the denominator. So cos of root 3 by 2 x. Okay. Again we have to replace d square is equal to minus b square. It would be minus 3 by 4. Okay. So x into e power minus x by 2 into 2d minus 3 whole by 4 into minus 3 by 4. 4 getting cancelled. Minus 3 is there. Minus 3 minus 9 minus 12 into cos of root 3 by 2 x. Still d is not eliminated. So take this cos of root 3 by 2 x to inside. You will get x into e power minus x by 2 into minus 1 by 12 is there whole into 2 into derivative of cos. What is the d means derivative? Derivative of cos is minus sign. So 2 into minus is there. Coefficient of x is root 3 by 2 x into sine of root 3 by 2 x minus 3 times of cos of root 3 by 2 x. Okay. So however here 2 gets cancelled and minus is the common term, so this minus becomes positive. So final answer is x into e power minus x by 2 into by 12 into root 3 sine of root 3 by 2 x plus 3 into cos of root 3 by 2 x. Okay, this is the simplification of yp. After getting yp, finally you have to write the general solution. What is the general solution? Y is equal to yc plus yp. You have to add that both parts. In the next video I will give some more examples. Thank you very much.